So hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Investors and Traders Club. So here in this video we are just going to discuss about the market from this 21st March to 25th March, so upcoming next week. So here we are going to discuss about the chart of Nifty 50 as well as Bank Nifty chart. So first I'm going to explain you the Nifty chart for this upcoming week. So this is a Nifty 50 1 hour time frame chart. So you can see the triangle pattern here. It kind of broke, but the stop loss was also triggered, kind of over, not triggered, but it kind of triggered in the day. So you can see my point of view in this particularly is I am going positive in it, and also I am going long on it. So this was a resistance R1 and this was the resistance R2, but this resistance R1 will be not. So we can also say that it's not like a perfect resistance one. So I'm thinking that 18327 would be the perfect resistance. It's gonna reflect, you can also see the previous candle. So over here November and over up to over here 18th Jan. So that's like, so kind of I'm in this week I'm thinking about positive, and let me show you the price I'm actually thinking about, how long it's gonna take up right now. So over here, and the stop loss would be over this levels, down level. So this is my point of view. So if you want to have some low stop loss, you can also keep over here, or you can wait for the buying price to be triggered at 16,800 over here, and you can buy for it, and you can keep a target of, so just go for like you can buy wait or here up to, you can keep a stop loss over this level. So the target would be high and the stop loss would be low, but I think it don't gonna retrace, but go long on it. And I'm also thinking positive on it, so go for long. So the same goes for Bank Nifty as well. So here you can see the resistance, and this is the support level, this is support level, this is the resistance R1, and this is the R2, and I'm kind of now long on it, same up to 0.39350, and you can calculate stop loss of over here. So that's what I'm doing right now. So you can also do it. You can also have a pretty huge target and a pretty low stop loss, so you can also go for it. See, sometimes Nifty and Bank Nifty will both go in the same direction sometimes. So if Nifty gains 200 points, Bank Nifty also gains 1200, 1600, 500 points. And if Nifty gains 500 to 600 points, Bank Nifty may gain 2000 to 1800 points. But if Nifty gains at 150 to 200 points, Bank Nifty also it can go to 1200 range. So that means we can say that if Nifty moves around 1000 points, Bank Nifty would approximately and surely will move 2000 to 3000 points perfectly. So you can go with the Nifty and Bank Nifty same. So that's why I always trade them same. So if I go Nifty long, then I'm also go Nifty Bank long. So if I short Nifty, I will also short Nifty Bank. So these are the pre-market analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty for this upcoming week of 21st March 2022 to 25th March 2022. So hope you like the video. So don't forget to subscribe for more videos from this YouTube channel of Investors and Traders Club.